68 from closure. The volume of a loaf of rising bread, so we got a volume equation, is approximately given by 0.2 times 1.4 to the t, where t is in hours and volume is in cubic feet. About how fast is the volume changing after 1.5 hours? Approximate the instantaneous rate of change. The instantaneous rate of change is the limit, as h goes to 0, of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So let's approximate it by putting it in 0.2, 1.4 to the, and we want it at 1.5, so it's going to be 1.5 plus h minus 0.2 times 1.4 to the 1.5 over h. So we don't have this smooth. Usually we can do some algebra, cancel some things out, factor an h out, and put the 0 in. But we don't have that. So we want to approximate. So I'm going to put this into my calculator exactly, and I'm going to use an x where h is. So as I put that into my function, using some good parentheses, of course, I would probably put parentheses here, and probably for sure here, divided by x. I want to go to my table settings, and I want to change my table. I want to start it at table start at 0, because that's actually what I want. And I want to change my table by like 0.001. And now let's look at our table. We definitely have our error at 0, just like we should. But then above and below, I see the number 0.1114. So that is a good approximation, because it goes, above it and below it. That looks really good. So 0.41114 what? And that would be cubic feet per hour. And then what is the mathematical way to write this? We've written that a whole bunch. The approximation of f prime of 1.5 is that. The derivative at 1.5 is approximately that, which that's about as close as we come. Good. We're ready.